Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to complete the granny game. This is a very stressful game, and of course, if granny gets stuck. So, whatever. So first, what you want to do, you want to go to the 3rd floor. You want to go over here to where the demon is, and you want to grab cod wheel number 1. And then you want to go through there, go through the door, jump down, and then you want to travel down, grab the hammer, continue down the hall, go down the stairs, get the battery. Then you want to go back up the stairs, all the way back into the room you were just in. And then after you do that, you want to go all the way to the bathroom, and grab cod wheel number 3. And then after you have cod wheel number 3, you want to come over here, grab the playhouse key. And after you have the playhouse key, you want to head back upstairs. No, you want to grab the well key and the code, which is located in the kitchen in these areas. Let's watch out for granny. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to get yourself on the railing. And you want wait for that to spawn back. Is that like a respawn button or something? Alright, so you want to grab this screwdriver. And after you have this screwdriver, you want to go over here to the well, get out your well key, and you want to jump on top, and there should be cod wheel number 2 there. And then I want to exit out of my game on accident. Alright, let's let him get out. I always wondered if they're going to put something in there. There we go, I have to fix that. Alright, so you want to hit crouch. That let these spawn. And then you want to get out your playhouse key. After you have out your playhouse key, you just want to walk up to it. And then you want to get cod wheel number 1. And after that, cod wheel number 2. And after that, cod wheel number 3. And then you want to grab the master key. And then you should have it where your inventory is full. Now, after your inventory is full, what you want to do is hit that little backpack up there. Put all the stuff that you don't need. So cod wheel number 1, cod wheel number 3, playhouse key, well key, cod wheel 2, and then you want to put it hammer, battery, code, screwdriver, master key. That's how your inventory should look like. It's a little hard because I'm doing it on a split screen. Now, once that's done, what you want to do is you want to go in here. You want to crouch down. Watch for granny, guys. Watch for granny. Or if the coast is clear. I forgot a step. I literally forgot a step. Alright, so what you want to do is... No, So what you want to do is go upstairs, go into this room where you get the hammer and stuff. Go down where the battery is. Go down one more steps. Oh my gosh, I just died. Why? Alright, let's make it a little easier. Grab cog wheel number 1. Jump down to the second floor. Then what you want to do is grab the hammer, battery, and then guys, if you go into this room, there's a secret teddy bear. Or you guys don't need that, and then just get out of that room, grab a screwdriver. So grab the screwdriver, grab the well key, grab the code, grab the playhouse key. Well key, where's well key? Oh, I already have well key, and then go outside. It's a little confusing, guys. I gotta admit that. I can't lie to you guys. Never lie, always be honest. Be truthful. Do what you say. I know there's one thing that I'm missing. You don't need that. It should get up to 9. Guys, something should be covering your 9. Oh yeah, bathroom, cog wheel number 3. You should have it until you have 9 spots covered, because the last spot is for the master key. Alright, now I can actually show you guys. Alright, so you want to hit crouch, playhouse key, cog wheel 1, cog wheel 2, cog wheel 2, cog wheel 3, and then grab the playhouse key again. And then after this, you want to hit your little backpack signal. Cog wheel, well key, playhouse. And then you should have your stuff until the fifth bar. If the door doesn't open, then the game's like glitched, so just walk through the window. And then what you want to do is head back upstairs, grab your screwdriver out. You want to travel down the stairs. One more layer. I keep on dying, okay? She's trapped in the thing.
Did you eat your pretzel too?
No.
Where's your pretzel?
Oh gosh, I thought that it.
Ate it.
Well, my dog ate my pencil. Alright guys, so after you have the I'm not going to grab all the equipment, I'm just going to grab the screwdriver. Alright, so basically you want to grab the screwdriver, then you want to grab that key. I will make another video on this tomorrow. tonight when I get home from school. So basically, you want to grab that key and you want to head down to the basement. Alright, once you're down in the basement, what you want to do when you're down in the basement is you want to go to the box with the key thing. And you want to grab the wire cutters. Alright, that's how far I'll get you guys. I guess I'll just do part 2. This was part 1. I hope you did enjoy. Subscribe and all that stuff. Share the video and comment down below what you guys want me to do next. Thanks for watching. This was a big fail. And bye. 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 Oh. Bye, guys.